Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to export character.ai bots. So first, let's open our app, and then after opening, so there you go, we are here now. So as we can see in the upper right of our screen, we can see this person icon. So just click that, and then again the same in the upper right. You can see the settings button, click that, and then just scroll down until you see this export my data. So if you wanna export your character.ai bots, so here's your what gonna do. You just export your data just like this, and it says that success. You will receive an email with a link to download content you've sent or uploaded. So all you gotta do is go to your email and then click the link for you to download your content that you have sent or uploaded. And that's all.